Hello students, welcome to Standard 10 Mathematics, Chapter 15 Probability in Lecture 12. Now again we will see the example 11 with the star, which is again not from the examination point of view, but we will understand it to make our concept very clear here. In this, a missing helicopter is reported to have crashed somewhere in the rectangular region shown in the figure. This figure is given. This rectangular region is given. Anywhere here in this rectangular region, a helicopter is crashed. What is the probability that it crashed inside the lake shown in the figure? In this rectangular region, lake area is this area, lake. If the helicopter is crashed here in the lake, what will be the probability of this? That we have to find out. So measures length and breadth of this rectangular region is given in the figure. Total rectangular region is this, with the length 9 km this way and with the breadth 4.5 km this way. This portion is given 6 km and this part is given 2 km, and this small box rectangular region is showing lake. So we will try to find out the length and breadth of this lake. It is very easy. You can understand that the whole breadth is 4.5 and this portion is 2. So what will be this part as a length if you take off the lake? So total length 4.5 minus this given length 2. So 2.5. 2.5 km is the length of this lake. Similar way to find out the breadth of lake is, total length is 9 given, 9 minus this much, remaining length is 6. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3 km, will give the breadth of this lake. So now we have the length of lake is as 2.5 km and breadth as 3 km. Okay, this way on figure we have to do some work to find out the breadth and length of the lake from the given total length and breadth of the given rectangular region. So that way very easily we can find out the length and breadth of lake. Now how to solve this problem? The solution is, the helicopter is equally likely to be crashed anywhere in the rectangular region. In this question we have to understand that the helicopter can be crashed anywhere in the rectangular region. This region, the whole region, anywhere it can be crashed. So area of the entire region means total region where the helicopter can be crashed is, how to find out the total area where the helicopter can be crashed? Total area is this rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So if we consider length as 4.5, breadth as 9, or length as 9 and breadth is 4.5, length into breadth will give the total area where the helicopter can be crashed. So length into breadth is 4.5 into 9. The multiplication will give 40.5 kilometers square. This is the total area of the rectangular region where the helicopter can be crashed. Total. Now let E is the event where helicopter is crashed in lake, because we want to find out the probability of the helicopter crashed inside the lake. So now we will take that part which is asked in the question. Helicopter crashed in lake. So that we have to find out the area of the lake. Area of the region where helicopter is crashed is equal to area of lake. Area of lake again can be found by the area of rectangle. Once again the lake is also in the shape of rectangle, and area of rectangle, if you know that length into breadth. So we have found earlier in the figure only that what is the length of lake is 2.5 and breadth of lake is 3 km. So length into breadth, area of lake 2.5 into 3 will be 7.5 km square. This shows the area of lake. What is the probability of E? It shows the probability of the helicopter crashed inside the lake area is equal to favorable outcome for the E is area of lake will be up there 7.5 km square upon total area of rectangular region is 40.5. So 7.5 upon 40.5. Now to remove this point and this point, we will take down and up 10, 10, that will be cancelled. So this will be 75.405. Now this, both the numbers can be commonly divided by 15. 15 5s are 75 and 15 2s are 30, 10 remaining 105. 15 7s are 105. So the answer will be 5 upon 27. This way we can go in this type of example also, this type of question also, where we have considered, because the region was given, and the region, that means you have to find out the area related question is. So what we have done basically the area of the part where the helicopter is crashed, and this is total area of the regular region where the helicopter can be crashed. So area upon area we have done. Area favorable to E upon area of entire rectangular region we have done. Okay.